Harry Roque. Pinasaya mo ko ngayon. Anyari? Sabi ko sa iyo yung mga taong masyadong mayabang, talagang tinuturuan ng leksyon. Diba kahapon pa kita tinapik? Ang sabi ni Justice Carpio, they were gonna use your video. The prosecution was gonna use your video. Yung 2016 na sinabi mo, don't vote for this man because he's a self-professed murderer. Hindi lang, don't vote for this man. Sabi mo pa, tell your neighbors not to vote for this self-professed murderer. Can you imagine the optics of that? Na itong isang miyembro ng legal team ni Duterte mismo ang nagsabi na murderer, mass murderer yung kanyang pinagtatanggol. Hindi lang yun. So, ibig sabihin, yung nagsabi nun in 2016 na isang human rights lawyer, ngayon ay nagtatanggol na sa kanya, ganyan ang extent ng power ni Duterte at koneksyon at kung gaano siya nakakabili ng tao. Kasi isang human rights lawyer ay nabayaran niya ng husto para bumaliktad na imbis na maging nagtatanggol ng human rights ng tao, ngayon ay nagtatanggol na ng isang umaapi ng mga human rights ng mga tao. So, Harry, you are a liability to your tatay. Kaya you got kicked out of the legal team. It has nothing to do with what VP Sara said na, oh, we want him to concentrate on his asylum seeking. Ano ba naman sinabi mo? Di ba sabi mo, I'm sorry, I cannot come home. I have to defend my president. Wala ka na sa legal team. Kaya makinig ka kay Kong Castro. Ano sabi ni Kong Castro? Mars, uwi ka na, Mars. Hindi na ako galit sa'yo. Ayan naman pala, uwi ka na. Pinapauwi ka na ni Kong Castro, your BFF. At saka sabi din ni Mr. Supra, babe, I miss you. Was? Galing ah. Pero kidding aside, I'm sure it hurts. Alam mo, rejection really hurts. Pero I'm sure you're gonna get over it. You've been through much worse, diba, Harry? And I'm sure you've been paid well enough. Kaya wala ka ng reason to stay there, ha, Harry? Also, I wanted to say thank you. You made my day for all your hubris, you know, with all your arrogance. Napaluhod ka yata, diba? Sa yabang mo na the first Filipino lawyer accredited in the ICC. Alam ni Kong Barbers yan. Kaya ako pinipersecute ng ganito kasi they want, the former president to lose representation. Ganito, ganon. What the heck? He's not gonna lose representation. You're not part of the legal team. And besides, I mean, you're not all that. Let's be honest. You know, that's the reason why they got somebody a lot better than you. Diba, ano sabi ni VP Sara? We got somebody that had a lot more experience. Sinabi na lang with a lot more experience. Pero, i-translate ko, mas magaling kay Harry Roque. Yun ang meaning nun. Tsaka, way better than Jabba the Hutt, aka Medial Dia. So, Harry, ta-ta. See you in the Philippines. You made my day today. Bye.